Hello.
Yeah, hello. Hello. Nakasan mo
S- So is it good evening?
kasi bigay tayo dito. Diba night time, di ba? Night time.
Okay. So hi Ethan, good evening. This is teacher Sandra and I'm very sorry if my voice is like this because since Monday I'm not feeling well. Okay, but um I think next week my voice will change, okay?
Okay.
So bear with my voice, okay?
Okay.
So, can you see my screen?
Opo.
Hapo? Wow. Okay. So, hi, Ethan. I'm really happy to have you in my class today. So, this is our first session together. Okay. So, and I'm excited to learn with you. So, before we start, okay, can you tell me your favorite hobby or something you like to do after school?
Uh, I like to play soccer.
Oh, you like to play soccer. Okay, that's nice. What else? Soccer only?
Yeah.
Okay, at least. Okay, so today we will practice three things. Okay, um, number one is you need to spot or spotting adverbs. Number two is you will write metaphors. And then reading comprehensions. So this will help you become stronger in grammar, creative writing, and understanding stories. Okay, so let's start. Okay, what can you see in our screen today?
I, huh? Ano po?
What can you see in our screen? It is all about
Identifying adverbs.
okay, identifying adverbs. Okay,
Mm,
Ethan, um, an adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb. Okay, a verb is an action. Okay, it answers questions like how did something happen? Is it quickly, slowly? Okay, when did it happen? Yesterday, now, today. Where did it happen? Outside, inside, or here? Or how often did it happen? Always, once. Okay, so think of adverbs as helper words. Okay, helper words. They give us clues about the action. Okay, so read um, read all of the sentences here in our screen, and it is already highlighted here what is our adverbs. Okay, so you could just familiarize with the words before I'll give you new sentence and identify them on your own. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, please read this one.
My teacher asked me to turn in my homework now.
Okay, so the adverb is what?
Now,
Okay, now. Okay, next one.
I ran outside to look for my dog.
Okay, so where did you run to look for your dog?
Outside,
Outside. Okay, next one.
we arrived at the birthday party late.
Okay, late. So you arrive at the birthday party late. So that is an adverb. Um, it is an helpful word for your verb, for for your action. Okay, next one.
We will drive to Chicago tomorrow.
Okay, when will you drive to Chicago? That
Tomorrow.
is tomorrow. Okay, your action here is you will drive. And then your adverb, okay, okay, tells you what action that will be tomorrow. Okay, next one.
We are leaving here at 2 o'clock to visit Grandma.
Okay, next one.
Mr. Johnson arrived at his classroom early.
So Mr. Johnson arrived at his classroom early. Okay, the action or the verb here is arrived, and adverb that will help the action or the verb is early. Okay, that is adverb. Again, Ethan, an adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb, your action. Okay, so adverb tells us questions. How did something happen? When did it happen? Where did it happen? How often did it happen? Okay, how, when, where. Okay, so the math test we took today was hard. Okay, next one.
I am going somewhere
Quiet.
quiet to read my book.
Okay, read this one more time.
I am going somewhere quiet to read my book.
Okay, so you are going somewhere. Okay, so going somewhere. So going is your action, and then somewhere is your adverb. Okay, next one.
I left my glasses inside the classroom.
Okay, what do you think is your verb here? Verb, action.
Left
Very good. So that is left. So where did you left your glasses?
in the classroom.
Okay, specifically,
Inside.
okay, inside the classroom. Next one.
Would you like to eat lunch outside?
Okay, so this is a question, and your adverb is outside. So what is your verb?
Eat
Okay, so where would you like to eat? That would be outside. So he or she is asking you. So this is a yes or no question. Okay, next one.
We will walk to the cafeteria for lunch soon.
Okay, so soon. Next one.
I put your jacket there.
Okay, so what is your verb?
Put
And then where did you put your jacket, or where did he or she put your jacket? So the adverb
there.
is there. Next one.
My family travels everywhere by airplane.
Okay, so your family, your verb here is what?
Travels.
Travels, and then adverb is everywhere. Okay, next one.
You always get to be the team captain.
Okay, next one.
Will you put the box down so I can look through it?
So what is the action here or your verb?
Well, put
Okay, put. Put. So will you put the box down so I can look through it? So this is again is a yes or a no question. As you can see here, this is a question mark. So the person who is talking to you is asking you a question. Okay, next one.
Make a right turn at this street.
Okay, make a right turn now
Oh.
at this street. Okay, next.
I forgot to turn in my homework once.
Okay, so the adverb here is once. And lastly,
We looked up to see the how
huge.
huge dinosaurs at the museum.
Okay, please read this one more time.
We looked up to see the huge dinosaurs at the museum.
Okay, very good, Ethan. Okay, so what do you think is our verb here in the sentence? We look up to see the huge dinosaur at the museum.
Look,
Okay, look up. Okay, look up. Okay, so since we are done reading this one, let's try some few words. Okay. So read this aloud and try to look for the adverb. Okay. She sings beautifully. Okay, hold on. Let me check. Okay. Read this one. Read the sentence aloud. And
she sings beautifully.
okay, she sings beautifully. Okay, how does she sing?
Beautifully,
Okay, so beautifully is our
adverb.
very good. Next one. Okay, read.
We will eat lunch soon.
So, when will we eat?
Soon.
Okay, very good. So, um, the question I'm giving you help you identify our adverb here. Okay, so this is just a guided example. The next time I'm giving you sentences. Now it's up to you now to look for the adverbs. Okay, but I will give you three more. Okay, so again, read aloud and let's discuss the sentence. Uh, okay.
The dog ran outside.
Okay. So where did the dog run?
Outside,
Okay. So that is our adverb. Next one.
he always wakes up early.
Okay. So how often does he wake up?
Early,
Okay. How often?
he often
He
wakes
always wakes up early. So
early.
how often does he wake up? How often?
Early,
Okay, but the answer for this one is always, okay?
oh,
Always. So, hold on. So often we talk about always once, okay? That's when we talk about how often did it happen, we talk about the adverbs always once, okay? And lastly, Okay. Read aloud.
I finished my homework quickly.
So how did I finish, or how did you finish?
Quickly,
Okay. So you finish your homework quickly. Very good. So again, which word is the adverb?
quickly,
All of the sentence here. Can you still remember?
yes.
Okay. Repeat it again. Read aloud, then tell me the adverb.
For the last one,
All of all of
oh,
the sentences.
oh, she sings beautifully. The adverb is beautifully. We will eat lunch soon. The adverb is soon. The dog ran outside. The adverb is outside. He always wakes up early. The adverb is always.
Hmm?
I finished my homework quickly. The adverb is quickly.
Okay, very good. Now, this time, I will let you try to find the adverb in this sentence. Okay, so let's start. Again, you can read, you need to read the sentence aloud, and you will identify the adverbs on your own. Okay,
The children played happily in the park.
what do you think is our adverb here?
Uh, played.
Played, play. From the
And
from the word play. Play is
verb.
okay, very good. That's a verb, so it's an action. So adverb here. So you played.
Happily.
Okay, happily. Next one. Next.
We will visit grandma tomorrow.
Okay. Verb is what?
Visit
When will you visit grandma?
tomorrow.
Okay. So that is our adverb. Okay. Okay, try to look for the verb, and what do you think is our adverb here?
The no, dad drives carefully on the highway. In verb is drives and adverb is uh highway. No,
Highway.
no.
Okay, just remember, adverb helps you like how, when, where, or how often. So, dad drives. How does your dad drives on the highway? Like
Carefully.
that. Okay. So, so you need to try to explain yourself or ask yourself each word, okay? An adverb. So does it tell how, like when, where, or how often? Okay, try to like talk to yourself, explain or discuss the sentence like what the what is the adverb on this part. Okay, lastly, oh no, two more sentence. Okay, oopsies. Okay,
I left my shoes inside the room. In verb is left and adverb is inside.
okay, very good. So you left your shoes inside the room. Okay, last. Okay,
She sometimes forgets her lunchbox. In verb is um
action. What do you think is the action here?
forget.
Again? Okay, forget.
In adverb is sometimes.
Okay, very good. So it asks you the question, how often? So how how often she forgets her lunchbox? So sometimes. Okay, so again, Ethan and adverb are like what are like detectives. Okay, they give us extra clues about our actions. Okay, about actions. So next time you read a story or a sentence, try spotting them. Okay, so they give you extra clues about the action that you're doing. Okay, so again, um, how does she sing? Beautifully. Okay. And then this one, the children played. How did the children play? The children played happily. Okay, so this is just an extras to make our verb more creative, more um uh like more extra, okay, about our action, more about our verbs. Okay, so are we clear about adverb?
Opo.
Okay, again, an adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb. Okay, very good. Now let's proceed with the next one, which is metaphors. Okay, so in your own point of view or your own um knowledge, what is metaphor? Can you try to explain it to teacher Sandra?
Um,
A a metaphor.
um, mm, mm, ah, na forget ko
It's
ate.
all right. That's all right. So thank you for trying. So metaphors compare one thing to another to make our writing more creative. Instead of saying he is strong, we can say he is a rock because we all know a rock is what? A rock is a rock.
Something drawn.
Yeah, a rock is strong, right? It's sometimes it's hard to break. So instead of saying, "Oh, Ethan is strong," you could say that Ethan is like a rock. Okay, so metaphors compare one thing to another to make our writing more creative. Okay, so again, metaphors compare things to make writing more creative, more interesting. So let's talk about this one. Okay, let's check your answers here. So is this your activity, your quiz, your assignment? What?
Activity.
Come again?
Activity.
Okay. So Emily's, can you try to please read this one, number one? Not your
Emily,
answer, okay?
Emily's eyes were sparkling diamonds.
Okay. Emily's eyes were sparkling. So there are clues here, and those are eyes and then sparkling. So there are choices here: sandpaper, bell, fox, music, breeze, volcano, bull, rock, jello, oven, glass, and diamonds. Um, your answer here, Ethan, is correct because we all know diamonds is what? Sparkling, shimmering. What else? What can you say about diamonds?
Mm, shiny.
Okay, so you can compare it with sparkling. So that is diamonds. Very good. So number two.
Alan is so sneaky. He is a fox.
Okay, so a fox. So how did you come up with an answer, fox? What do you know about fox?
It is very fast
Fast, and then
and
a fox can also be
sneaky.
sneaky. Okay, again, your answer is correct. Very good. Next one, number three. There was
Not even a ripple on the lake. The water was rock.
the water was rock. Again, so there was not even a ripple on the lake. The water was rock. Okay, very good. That's correct also. Okay, number four.
After being parked in the sun all day, our car was in glass.
Okay, so this one is not correct. So let's correct this one. After being parked in the sun, so in the sun and all day. Okay, imagine you're inside the car. Okay, imagine you're inside the car and then it's um it's parked in the sun all day. What can you feel?
Like about like something very hot.
Okay, something very hot. So look for an example here. Something like hot. You can feel hot.
A volcano.
A volcano, what else?
And a the oven.
Okay, oven. So what do you think is the best answer for this one? So after being parked in the sun all day, our car was an
Um,
if you open your car
oven.
after, huh?
Oven.
Oven. Okay, very good. Oven. So that is oven. Because if you open your car, you can feel the steam. You can feel the hotness. So it's like an oven. Okay, Ethan. We will continue discussing what is a metaphor after our short break. Okay? And I will call you again. Thank you so much. And um, again, we've talked about identifying adverbs and metaphors. Okay? Thank you so much, and I will call you again in a few minutes. Bye bye.
Bye.